Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use Vizard to turn my long-form videos into high-performing, ready-to-post short clips. If you have never used an AI editor before, don't worry, because this is going to be a complete, beginner-friendly guide that covers every step of the process. I have also included a special link in the description below that will get you a free trial, just in case you want to follow along and test the tool out for yourself. To get started, head over to the main website and hit the sign up button in the top right corner to create your account using just your email address. Once you land in your dashboard, the system will ask you a few quick, personalized questions so it can understand the type of content you are creating. Take a moment to look at the left-hand navigation bar, because this is where you will find all your projects, clips, and the content calendar. When you are ready to make your very first short, just click on the New Project button to get the ball rolling. The prompt will ask you to create clips, and all you need to do is paste the link from one of your existing long-form videos into the box. I personally use this for my 3D printing channel, but it works perfectly regardless of your specific niche or content style. Once the link is pasted, hit that import button and the AI will automatically begin its work. The import process is totally hands-off, as the system analyzes your long video and intelligently auto-detects the most engaging potential moments. I usually leave the default settings enabled because the AI's smart selection is honestly the main reason we use these kinds of tools. Click Generate Clips and give it a minute or two, depending on how long your source video actually is. If you are new to this category, Vizard basically scans your full-length content to find high-engagement highlights that work great on platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Instead of spending hours hunting for timestamps, the AI does the heavy lifting and gives you a whole batch of ready-made short clips instantly. Once the process finishes, you will receive a notification, and you can jump right back into your dashboard to see what was created. For a recent 4-minute video, it generated 6 vertical reels, complete with captions, framing, and pacing, which would have taken me ages to edit manually. Now, the quality is usually great, but sometimes the framing needs a tiny adjustment, or the auto captions need to be moved around a bit. You can fix everything right inside the dashboard by using the editor panels on the left side, which cover templates, subtitles, and design elements. If a subtitle happens to overlap an important part of the visual, just switch to a different template or reposition the text layer manually. You can also tweak the font, timing, or effects of the subtitles, which is a complete lifesaver if there are any small transcription errors. The Elements tool is perfect if you want to add your own logos, intros, or outros to keep your content on brand. There is even an integrated stock asset library if you need to spice up a section of your clip with some extra complementary footage. You can use the Text tool to add a bold headline or emphasize a punchline that you want your audience to remember. The background tools are also super handy, allowing you to remove a messy background or replace it with something cleaner and more professional. I once had a clip where the subject was slightly off-center, and I just adjusted the crop frame within the template settings to fix it perfectly. Those kinds of quick, simple tweaks are exactly why this tool saves so much time compared to traditional editing methods. Once your clip looks good, you can either download it directly to your device or publish it right to your social media channels. Vizard supports direct publishing, meaning you can connect your accounts and schedule your content to go out whenever you need. The content calendar and auto-schedule features are incredibly useful for maintaining a consistent posting cadence across multiple platforms. The planner view lets you visualize your entire pipeline, so you can rearrange your posts or update captions without any stress. When comparing Vizard to competitors like Opus Clip, I find that Vizard offers a more complete workflow by combining clipping and scheduling in one place. Some other tools force you to use third-party apps for the actual scheduling, which just adds more work to your already busy day. While some of the most polished features are behind a paywall, the basic plan is still powerful enough to generate great clips for your channels. Since I manage about 10 different channels, anything that automates the boring parts of my workflow is a massive win for my productivity. Here are a few pro tips. Let the AI generate clips in bulk, then go back and hand-select the best 4 to 6 clips to publish. Always remember to use the subtitle editor to fix any misheard words, because clear captions really do improve viewer retention. If a clip feels a little off, try changing the template or nudging the crop, as these tiny changes make a massive difference in quality. Consistency is truly the secret sauce. Posting one short every day signals the algorithms and helps your channel grow over time. Overall, I give Vizard a solid 8 out of 10 because it is fast, intuitive, and genuinely helpful for creators focusing on long-form production. It might not be perfect, and you will still want to do some final tweaks, but it is way faster than stitching together 5 different tools. To recap the workflow: sign up, start a new project, paste your video link, generate clips, edit them, and then schedule them to go live. Just try it on one single episode, and I promise you will see how much time you save compared to your current manual editing process. If you are managing multiple channels or just want to stay consistent with your shorts, Vizard is a tool that truly makes scaling possible. That is my full walkthrough, so if you are ready to try Vizard, check the link in the description to grab that free trial. There is no hard sell here. I just really want you to see how much of your life you can get back by using better tools. If you liked this guide, please hit the subscribe button, and I will be back soon with more tips on repurposing content and automating your workflow. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video.